But we're getting there. Yo, we made it on the bridge. It's 107.9. Welcome back to another YouTube video. So sorry for the terrible lighting. I don't know what it is with me and like forgetting to do intros and outros, but lately I've been forgetting. So I'm currently editing this video, the 4th of July vlog, and I know it is a couple of days after the 4th of July, but I wanted to get that teen conference vlog out. All of my company has finally like went back home, so I'm able to like get back on my YouTube grind. We have videos planned out for the rest of the month. We already got them filmed and everything, so they're ready for you guys. All I gotta do is edit them. But anyways, in today's vlog is a 4th of July vlog. I figured I'd kind of record for the holiday. We didn't do any like big fireworks, kind of like how we did for New Year's, because we just ended up going to watch them. We did run the Peachtree RoadRace this year. We haven't ran it in like 2 years, but this is me and my dad's 4th time running a Peachtree RoadRace, and it was London and Nate's first time running the road race. So it was really exciting. I had a lot of fun. The weather wasn't too bad, and we were able to finish running before the weather got bad, because I heard it got canceled after and people actually had to cancel the race. So that was pretty bad, but thankfully we were able to finish running our race. So yeah, we did the Peachtree RoadRace, and then after that we got caught in the soaking rain. We were soaking. I didn't record because my phone would have been soaking, but as soon as we were walking back, because we got dropped off, so my mom came and got all of us, and we were stuck in the pouring rain while we were waiting for her. So yeah, the next clip you'll see, we're back in the car safely, and we got like dried off and stuff, and then after that I think we just kind of hung out for a little bit and ended up going to watch fireworks with our cousins. So it's a really fun vlog. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the next ones because they're really good, and stay tuned because we will be going on a cruise at the end of the month. So stay tuned for those vlogs because I'm so excited. It's my senior trip before I head off to college. So yeah, but anyways, that's enough talking. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and yeah. We're supposed to keep running. Yeah, we give Taylor specific t-shirt sizes. We know everyone came. Why are we already running? Okay guys, we're out here. How do you feel so far? We're 1 mile in. I know, and it's not even that sunny. We're at 1.5. Well, yeah, we're about to hit 2 mile mark. We're walking because there's this like mist thing up ahead. There's so many like people, so I don't know where me and my dad is. Oh, are we supposed to be running through it? I'm gonna walk. I need more time for your phone. Oh, never mind. All right, well, we're about to go through this. Yeah, because look how it's like spraying down. Okay, y'all. Oh my gosh! Look, it's like soaked. No, I was not doing that. That was a little too much. I thought it was mist, not actual like water. Better not break up from that water. See, there's like people cheering. There's so many people behind us, but it's all good though. There's so many people out here, but I'm about to update y'all at the 2 mile mark. I don't know where our dad is. Somewhere behind us. Oh, sorry. Okay guys, 2 down, 4 to go. How do you feel, London? Ready to get this done? But I just have miles check-in. We're running now. Trying to get through, but it's actually not that bad. It's not that hot out here either, which is nice. So that's good. But yeah, we're just running. We're waiting to see Chloe. All of them. But I just heard some little kid talking about that kid is running. I mean, London. I heard some girl talking about, I mean, guy. He was like, I just saw her recording herself already. Yo, look how many people. Look how much. Hey guys, there's an uphill up there, but we're getting there. Made it to mile 3. So
You sure you want to take a picture with it?
Yes. Made it tomorrow. Okay guys, 4 down, 2 to go. We're literally at Tuk Tuk. And one of our favorite restaurants here in Atlanta. But yeah, we're almost done. But y'all, let's get this done. Money got a whole water bottle. I don't know how.
And my arms are literally hurting. So I'm gonna wait.
But yeah, so we're almost done. It's not that bad.
I'm tired of drinking hose water.
I know, it tastes weird.
But one call had cold ice water.
Oh yeah, that was good. That was really good. They had ice cold water. But we're almost done. So
we'll get to the bridge.
Oh my gosh, we're gonna go to the bridge. So I'll record when I get there. How do you feel so far, London? I didn't record from all 3.
I'm motivated that we only have 2 more. We're already halfway
almost done. And it's only 8:53. So
who knows how we got here though?
I know.
Probably a good clock.
Alright, we're gonna keep going. Y'all, we made it on the bridge. It's 107.9. Okay. We're on the bridge. The Peachtree sign. Oh, she clearly has energy, y'all. Not even running. But yeah, there's a Peachtree sign over there. Still going, y'all. Literally almost there. 2 more miles to go. A bunch of people behind. But yeah. I feel good. Hurry up for what? Oh yeah. But here we go. So many more people up there. 4 miles.
We should have started. We made it past the 4 miles on yet, so we can not even get a picture of us.
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh. Look at all those people.
Well, guys, we're at mile 5. How do you feel about it?
From the traffic light to the end of the race.
Wait, say it again.
We're gonna run from the traffic light to the end of the race.
We're almost done.
There's this like one guy who's just like getting in front of us, being in front of him. So
I haven't seen him yet though.
Well, he passed us.
Oh, he did?
Yes.
Oh. Yeah, we're almost done. I don't know where Nate is. I think he might be almost finished. But we're about to go. How do you feel? Whew. There's some people behind us.
I feel like I look super red, but
you're black.
I can still look red.
But yeah, we're almost done. I'm so ready. Quite fast,
yeah, come on back fast. When I'm ready to get done.
We get to go to the post party after, so
I'm not doing that. I'm going home.
Jeez. Oh, 1.2 miles left. All right, guys, we're almost done. Here we go. We're about to start running, and I'm gonna start recording when we get towards the finish line, because it's all downhill from here. So we're almost done, y'all.
Tattoos in 10 seconds.
Guys, we're at the final stretch. This is the final hit, guys. I see it. I know. London! Woo, it's right there.
Looking good. Nice hair pieces, ladies. And the wings, the boots.
No, we're almost there. Sorry, the camera's so shaky. We're almost there. Guys, we made it! Oh my gosh, guys. Are we not done? Guys, there's still more. But we're almost there. We're almost there. Guys, we made it. Guys, we finished it. Almost done. What, dude? Almost done. Dad called asking if we made it.
If that's what gets you across that finish line. Go ahead and put your hands up in the air. We got those sweet Adidas shirts right there from our folks. Guess what? We got all your Peachtree RoadRace memorabilia in the finish area, along with that design, along with Coca-Cola products. We have a Peach waiting for you. And we got your finisher shirt. If you're ready for that finisher shirt, make some noise.
Oh my gosh. Let's go. Finish. Oh my gosh. Wait, get my picture in front of it. Guys, we made it. We're at the picnic now, and they're giving away free peach milkshakes. But here's like all the people.
I couldn't stop because that lady wants to stop pushing me.
There's a lady pushing you?
Right.
Oh.
Go, go.
Oh, yeah.
I just took a little bit. I need to go faster than that. Keep pushing her.
Oh my god.
I just spit us so I can get away from her.
Oh, really? We're going at Chick-fil-A here. So many people. I know. There's one at the beginning. She just skipped the line.
We're going to the
There's 11 Alive News.
We're going to the members party entrance.
Yeah, I know. Look at them.
Mommy says she's in the area.
These are all the people at Piedmont Park.
Ooh.
They have like snacks. We made it back to the car.
No, it is literally pouring out there. We're
And we were in the rain.
Putting on this sticky jacket. Oh, I'm so wet. It's super cool.
Yeah. Air freezing, but we got in. We had this big old blanket in the back. Let me tell them what happened. Guys, we had finished the race.
Bro, you want to say it's so bad. I was standing to the... No.
So did you guys keep race the whole time?
Me and Kayla stayed together the whole time.
Someone left us in the middle of the first mile.
Who's that someone?
That's not me. Oh, you left them? She left me. Oh.
No, I didn't. But yeah, anyways, what did you guys throw up?
I'm going to turn around, somebody's phone was locked down.
Oh yeah. Anyways, we were sitting at the finish line waiting for our dad to come, and then this old man just comes and like follows him, and she like screamed.
Oh, no, you.
It's funny, he scared me. He scared me.
Did you not see him? He was literally facing that way.
No, I thought he was just like walking and he's gonna move over, and then he like, it's like get on.
She like fell onto the fence. He's like, I don't know you. And then he kept going. Oh, this is the shirt.
It's like dry fit. I did my bag here. Take this because it's wet.
But yeah, we're done. What do you rate the race?
Now what? 8.
Huh?
8. Why?
It was pretty good. My legs just.
My Achilles was like, it was hurting.
What do you rate it?
My Achilles was hurting. I'll say 7. 7.5. Because my Achilles was hurting.
Yeah, my knees started hurting and my calves.
Oh, I did my dual thing. You can't see this, but did you take yours off? We're about to go.
It's under here. It's hungry shower.
Let's get some Firehouse.
No, Shalowski's. You know, Tuk Tuk's over here, Mama. They're probably open.
They're not, London.
Delete that clip right now.
Okay guys, so we're home. Basically we got stuck in the pouring rain, and the last clip I think was us in the car. We were headed home, and yeah, so then we ended up here, and Chloe, Madison, and David weren't here yet. They were still at my grandparents' house, so we went to go pick them up, and then we went to Walmart to get a filter, and then we went to the pool. So that's what we're doing. Now we're eating. David's just standing there anyways. But yeah, we're playing this light game. Well, they're playing, I'm not playing. And yeah, that's basically it. I'm tired, but we're just eating right now, and then I think we're gonna relax, and then later when it starts getting dark, we're gonna go watch some fireworks. I have sparklers, but we don't have like big fireworks, so just looking for her phone to make her parents' house. But that's what we're doing right now. Y'all look very big. But yeah, I'm gonna keep y'all updated. I hope you're enjoying the vlog so far. Madison, you wanna say hi to the vlog or not? But that's the vlog. We're gonna go watch some other fireworks too, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, he's warming up his food right now. But I'm tired. I'm about to sleep good tonight, and stay tuned because we're gonna have a Six Flags vlog that will be coming out because we're going on Thursday. So stay tuned because this is Nate's first time ever going on a roller coaster, and we're gonna make him go on all the big ones that we go on. So stay tuned. But yeah. You guys are in the car.
Take a look at the back. Just look at the back. We got Madison and Chloe in the back.
Hey, we should record.
Me, Jay, Taylor right here in the back. They're in the back. We're in the back. They're in the middle.
We're in the
front.
You have room?
Bro, Grandma's got it easy.
We have some good room. It's
Grandma's
a party
got it
back
easy.
here. Woo! Don't shake the car. If I can fit in this trunk, I can definitely fit in yours, Kayla.
Man, how do we actually make this fit though?
Because we're back here. Or else we would have had to sit on your laps. Exactly. Actually, we would have to sit on your laps. Or two people would have to. Hey, Dad, look at us.
Are you okay?
Dad, look. We're all the way back here. Are you serious?
Look at your legs.
This is how his room is.
Uh-oh, I left my phone inside.
Yes, please.
How do you do the camera? Whoa, those are nice.
Oh, I can see through Kayla's phone.
They don't make us move.
Dad, can you put your window down? Can we just see you?
Anybody behind us?
Yes.
Yeah, guy just put it.
Oh, that was a big one.
These are nice though.
Put on your caution
Can you
lights.
guys see?
Yes.
Can everybody see?
Yeah, you want to put on the caution lights? Yeah, gonna just pull over a little bit to the side.
Well, but turn around so we can pop the
Put on the
trunk.
hazard lights. She's like, oh, I got a flat tire.
Turn around so
Y'all
we
are
can.
fine.
Okay, Chloe. Okay.
You hear them?
Yes.
That looks pretty.
It's so colorful.
The light changing. All right, just turn left then and go slow.
Just wait till somebody comes.
Right.
This car isn't moving either.
Well, come on then.
We're watching the fireworks.
It's actually fire. You can't see me right now. That's what that thing is. Well, all them birds like are under attack right now. Look at them over there. Lame. Dang it, I was too late. I got
Okay guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That was basically it of our like 4th of July vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I did have a really bad headache the next day, but we ended up going somewhere really fun 2 days after the 4th of July, so stay tuned for that vlog, because that's no, not the next vlog. I'm actually a little sneak peek, that's the next vlog. So stay tuned for that. This video, I've been had this piercing, but because I've had many other videos I wanted to get out before this one, you're finally gonna be able to see this video. So stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for a bunch of vlogs. We have a whole calendar right there of all the videos, because we have it for the rest of the month, like I said. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in the next one.